Welcome, this video will explain how to use your new ringtone created with Easy Ringtone Maker, available on App Store. First, connect your iPhone to your computer running iTunes. Open iTunes, then click on your iPhone under the Devices area. Now, click on the Apps page at the top. Scroll down, and select the Ringtone Maker app icon here. You will see your new ringtones on the right. Select your ringtone, then click the button Save To on the bottom. Let's create a new folder on the desktop called My Ringtones. Now, go to your new folder, My Ringtones, and double-click your ringtone to transfer it into iTunes. Open iTunes, and select the Ringtones page at the top. Make sure that you have Sync Ringtones checked. Then, click the Sync button on the bottom of iTunes. That's it. Now, your ringtone is available to use on your iPhone.